5 animals who have a longer lifespan than an average human being. The average life expectancy of a human being is 71.5 years according to the United Nations World Population Prospects 2015 revision. That is, 68 years and 4 months for males and 72 years and 8 months for females. The World Factbook puts our average life expectancy at 69 years in 2016. The oldest living person was Jean Calment, who lived until the grand old age of 122 years and 164 days. However, this is nothing compared to certain animals who live for centuries. Watch to find out more about these awesome, age-defying animals, some of whom have been around since the time of Shakespeare. 5. Lamellibranchialuimezi. The Lamellibranchialuimezi is a species of deep-sea tube worm, which can live for up to 250 years. These deep-sea tube worms live in the cold seeps in the Gulf of Mexico and are presently the longest-lived, non-colonial invertebrates. According to Charles Fisher, professor of biology at Penn State, an average 2-meter-long tube worm is 170 to 250 years old, taking into account its growth rate over time. Tube worms sustain themselves on sulfite and other nutrients found at the seeps. Their long lifespan could also be a result of a lack of solid growing surface in the Gulf of Mexico, which is primarily mud-bottomed. 4. Greenland shark. There is a species of shark found in the frigid waters of northern Atlantic and Arctic oceans which can live for up to 400 years. Their average lifespan is between 272 and 512 years. Found in the North Atlantic and Arctic oceans, these sharks are the longest-lived vertebrates found on Earth. They only attain sexual maturity at around 150 years of age. A geneticist at the University of Michigan, Sean Zhu, discovered that the frigid cold might activate anti-aging genes in animals. This could help in folding protein, doing away with molecules that damage DNA, and also prevent infections, thereby extending its lifespan. This anti-aging gene could be present in Greenland sharks and could explain their incredibly long lifespan. 3. The ocean quahog. The ocean quahog is essentially a mollusk or a clam whose average lifespan is 400 years. A particular specimen was said to be as old as 507 years old, according to its growth rings. However, many don't live up to that old age since they are also used as a food source. The ocean quahog, or Arctica islandica, is basically an edible clam and is found in the North Atlantic Ocean. In 2006, a research group discovered a 507-year-old quahog in Iceland. Unfortunately, it died as a result of being frozen on board before they discovered its age, making itself to the Guinness Book of Records. The previous record was held unofficially by a 374-year-old clam found in 1868 near Iceland. 2. Sea sponges. Sea sponges are multicellular organisms with porous bodies. Certain species of sea sponges are said to have a lifespan of more than 1,000 years, and some even more than 10,000 years. That's right, sponges are also animals, although most people mistakenly categorize them as plants. While not much is known about the lifespan of sponges, some massive species found in shallow waters are estimated to live for more than 2,300 years. There are a few tropical and deep-sea sponges that have a lifespan of 200 years, maybe even more. Additionally, by taking into account their growth rate, some calcified demisponges are up to 5,000 years old. 1. Turritopsis dohrnii. There exists a species of jellyfish which is biologically immortal. They can live forever unless killed, attacked, or damaged. The Turritopsis dohrnii is also known as the immortal jellyfish and was discovered in the Mediterranean Sea in 1883. They are said to have originated in the Pacific. Lab studies have revealed that all the specimens collected displayed this ability, making them one of the most unique animals on this planet. Maria Pia Miglietta, a researcher at Pennsylvania State University, says that when starvation, physical damage, or other crises arise, instead of sure death, Turritopsis transforms all of its existing cells into a younger state.
please do subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Also turn on the notifications to stay tuned to our daily new contents.